How to download videos from Instagram. In this guide, I will show you how to do it. Open the Instagram app and select the video you want to download. Click the share button and select copy link. Now we return to the main menu and enter the Safari browser. Go to the page that appears on the screen. We close pop-ups. Select the white box and hold your finger on it to display the paste option. Click on it. Confirm by clicking download. Now click the download button, enter our video. We wait until the download window appears and click confirm. Click on the arrow next to the website address and select downloads. Now your video is in iPhone files. To move them to the gallery, click the arrow in the lower left corner and select the Save Video option. Now you will find your Instagram video in the phone gallery. If you liked the guide, click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel.